So, hello, welcome everyone to this free training. And in this training, I'm going to give you how to create a valuable offer for your coaching or course creating business, for your online business, basically. So, how to frame your offer that serves the best of your clients and you could charge more amount of money. So, you have all read basically a book from Alex Hormozy. It's called 100 Million Leads. If you don't, I would highly recommend to read it. So let's get started. So there's some examples of the most highly converting, the highly valuable offers out there that people are making six to multiple seven figures a year with selling these offers. So I'm going to it. So how can you to offer just like the exact same of your ideal client. So the in $100 million book, $100 million offer book, Alex Hormozy talk about the value equation. It means you decrease their amount of time they need to invest. It means the higher amount of value. You decrease the pain of their you need decrease the pain and action step. You increase the value. So let's say you are a fitness coach and you sell your weight loss program. So let's say this my program will get you will help you to lose weight. This is kind of one kind of offer. So this is more like a generic offer, but if you want to increase your value for your offer, that you could add the time limit in your offer, just like that my my fitness program will get you to lose weight in 30 days. So it increased the value that you could charge much more of that. So after that, let's say we want to increase more of value of our offer, that my program will get you to lose weight without, let's say, doing ab crunches, without to do doing cardio, just like the book in $100 million offer just said, that you gotta decrease the time, increase the value, or you gotta decrease the pain or suffering or fear, you increase the value. So so then the finally the the most insane offer would be that I've got a system that instantly lose you weight, instantly lose your weight. So this will be the best offer, but it's not going to be possible. So yeah, so you decrease the amount of time or effort they need to put. You increase the amount of increase the value of your offer, and then you could charge more. So these are some examples out there. So the first offer just could be like how to get desired results without fears, challenges, pain. So how, and then say you could say how I get desired results without that and that. And some of the examples would be how to get high paying clients without overworking yourself, how to lose 10 pounds without starving yourself, how to add 10 pounds to your deadlift without injuring yourself. So how to desire, then another could be the how to get desired results with system. Let's say just like I use, it's called my hybrid marketing system. It means both organic and both paid. So if you don't know, so how to get desired results with this system? Let's say one click upsell, one click system, automated sales funnel, AI ad creation. Let's say my beach body transformation system, YouTube hacking, algo hacking, body hacking, biohacking system that you can increase the desired value of your offer. Then some of the examples could be like how to print women addresses through Tinder voice note. Weird offer. So how to get 10 roofing jobs through Amazon ads. That will be a good offer. So get another offer could be the get 10 bedbugs hit treatment through Doctor Notes. Could be. And then two, we include the time frame. Let's say how to get desired result in a specific time. So how to lose weight, how to lose 30 pounds in 30 days, how to stop being shy in 30 seconds or less, how to add 10 pounds into your deadlift overnight, how to double your strategy session overnight, how to instantly feel happy, how to instantly add 10 pounds to your bench press, how I lose 30 pounds in 30 days. So another offer should be like how to desire a result that you can get benefit. I mean, it provides your desire. I mean, it talk with your desire, your prospect desire. Let's say how to lose 30 pounds so you can look good and naked. How to lose 30 pounds so you can look good at the beach. How to lose 30 pounds so you can look good in your wedding dress. How to lose you can meet your dream man. How to lose you can meet your dream girl. So the basic of this you talk. So this is the three ways that you could frame your offer. That first you talk with their fear, problems, challenges they're facing, or second of all you include time that you will get them results with less time. Another way you can frame it, you talk with their desire basically. And if you never done copywriting, so there's two way people influence are the most they either they running away from pain or they driving towards pleasure. So we got to capitalize on that thing to our prospect. So when you are done with your marketing, then you put call to action and frame the message as a question that if I could offer this, would you be interested? If you're starting your coaching business, you should get some case studies first to providing some free coaching or free strategy sessions. So let's say if they say interested, open to chat, then you can say, can I send over a quick Loom, or are you free to available this chat available sometimes to chat this week? So I mean in the free Loom video, you could just make a document sheet, a document, and put down your offer that what you are going to offer them, and what the benefits, what the little bit of details out there. And then you gotta book calls. You can book calls. Are you free to chat you free to chat sometimes this week? Can I send over the my calendar? Or you can book here, blah blah blah. And you gotta speak their language basically. So if you want to use keywords that their audience are more resonant with, you could use that. Let's say you are providing solution in funnels, and there's the famous name in the funnel community, let's say funnel hacker. So you talk with this way that funnel hackers, are you struggling with your fitness? Are you struggling to if you're struggling to open up, let's say, your offer basically. And think of the most dramatic theoretical offer that people are gravitated towards drama basically. And they because their drama spice up our life and spice up our offer basically. And the best option is to create your own, because what works the best is the unique. And this proven, I mean, the above this can work for you. And yeah, so this was the way you can create your irresistible offer. And there's some examples that they're curiosity, because you gotta, I mean, like, your offer should create a decent amount of curiosity, because without curiosity people won't going to be paying attention to you. And so if you people don't pay attention, unfortunately you don't get anything. So yeah, hope you get value from it. This is Zad signing out.